Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. We have another Ameritron Al-811 here. It's getting a brand new set of Penta tubes. Awesome company, great customer service. I'll go over everything it needs. It's an older one, so I'm going to put the new parasitic suppressor assembly in. I will replace the SO239 connectors because it's right in and out. I always change both. Clean the TR/bias relay with deoxy gold, compress the socket clips, put in the gas discharge tubes, check everything else over. So also needs the bias modification. Okay, so, and the diodes, does not have the string of diodes. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work and I will see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-811 amplifier. This is a early one, so you need to like everything. Customer also had said his antenna got struck by lightning, the ground wire had been damaged. Cord's fine, but as you can see it's all charred right there, so I resecured the ground connection. So I'll show you everything I did. Tested it on all bands with a brand new set of Penta tubes. Did the bias modification. Changed the meter lamps with brand new LED lamps from Ameritron. Put the brand new parasitic board in. Put the diode string in for the bias circuit. It was lacking that because it's an early one. Put brand new SO239 high quality connectors in from max gain system. Added the gas discharge tubes at the base of the socket there. All the tubes are in parallel, so you only need one per side. Tighten up on hardware. Touched up on some solder joints. And this thing is good to go. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I'm waiting on parts for other amps. And in about a week and a half or so, I'll be opening the Hartbach site. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Oh, I always clean the rotary switches, band switch and input rotary switch with deoxy gold, and I also cleaned the TR/bias relay over here with deoxy gold. So it's all set. Thanks for watching. 73.